The Big Bounty Series, Video 01 Introduction. Welcome to Cyberhawk Academy's Big Bounty Series. This is not your average cybersecurity content, this is a mission. If you're serious about stepping into the world of ethical hacking and bug bounty hunting, you're in the right place. What we'll cover in this video. What is bug bounty? Who hires bounty hunters and why? The types of vulnerabilities that get paid. Real payout examples from platforms like HackerOne, BugCrowd and Synapse. The exact mindset you need to succeed in this space. Tools and platforms you must prepare for. What's coming next in the Big Bounty roadmap? PDF guide. Coming soon on PayHip. All practicals tools, screenshots and step-by-step missions